Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Banker YouTube channel. So today we will start with mock test 15 for digital banking. Digital banking is one of the subject in Iibf certification exam. Okay, Iibf certification exam. And please remember, this is just a sample video. This is not a full video. Okay. So let's discuss some questions. First question is maximum number of transaction can be done via UPI in a single day. So this is 20 transactions. Okay, so via UPI you can do up to 20 transactions only in a day. So when we are talking on, suppose two 2023 10th of March, so 20 transaction, and maximum number of transaction can be done via UPI in an hour. So this is 5 transaction. So maximum number of transaction can be done via UPI an hour in 5 transaction. So these are the question what I have covered in this lecture. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed yet. Join our Telegram channel for all the latest update, and watch. If you want to watch full video, so then you will have to just download Geeky Banker app from Google Play Store. So app is available for Android as well as for iOS platform. For any query you can call or WhatsApp or this number. So just go and download Geeky Banker app to watch a full video. Thanks for watching. Thanks again.